All right, what's up everybody? It's your boy Q, you know who, and I'm back with another video. And so you read the title of the video today. So that's right, I do got some new emblems for the F-150. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the silver Ecoboost emblems right here, man. If I would have known that there was an option to replace those, they had those, I would have done it when I replaced my F-150s here as well. But I did not know these were options. So I'm kind of doing double work, but that's all good. So I'm gonna try to do this today with just these items here. I got my remover and WD-40 for the adhesive, which I heard does, which I heard does work. And just to take a look at the emblems really quick, show look at what they look like. Here they are, black with the red. So as you can see, matches the F-150. It's gonna go right here. So these actually, I haven't sized them. They are a little bigger than the other ones, which isn't bad. I mean, a little bigger and wider. So, but they're black, so it probably conceal just a little better. Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. It's just adhesive, as you can see on the back here. So nothing special, should be hopefully pretty quick. I believe this is just glued on with adhesive, but we gonna find out. Go ahead and get to it, and y'all enjoy this video. So basically what I'm doing, guys, I'm just gonna take this, put a towel over it, like that. That way I don't scratch my paint. I did reach in and grab a X-Acto knife. I'm not sure if y'all see that. X-Acto knife to kind of help cut some of the tape. Boom, just like that, it is off. Pretty easy. You saw what I did just with the X-Acto knife. It came, once I cut down through some of this adhesive, this just came straight off. So now time to clean some of this up. Good old WD-40. All right, so while that sits, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side over there, give it a chance to kind of soak in. That way this comes off a little easier.
Maybe it's behind here. Maybe it's behind this big SUV.
What color is it?
It's black.
Is this it here?
Yeah, it's not there.
Is it?
Thank you so much.
You are so welcome.
You're so nice.
No problem. Have a good day.
Thank you.
So the lady that lives here lives where I stay in my apartment complex. She didn't know where, she couldn't remember where she parked her car, but she also her nephew borrows it, or son borrows it, and he moves it sometimes, so she didn't know where it was, and it didn't have like an alarm on it to where she can sing off. So that was pretty fun. So as you can see, came out pretty easy. I left this outline here on purpose so I can see where to replace it. But this is how I look. Comment below if you like the D-Badge look. I kind of like the no Ecoboost look right there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Alright guys, so that's the finished product. That's what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Yeah, it definitely matches the emblem here and there. Yeah, so comment below what you think. All right guys, so yeah, that's it. I mean, as you can see, it looks pretty good. Super easy, took me maybe 10 minutes to do it. I got those for like, I think 21 bucks off Amazon. I'll link that below as to where I got them from. But yeah, I think it came out pretty nice. Looks pretty good. I got it lined up pretty good as well, pretty straight across. I also did like the D-Badge look. Like, it looked pretty good, D-Badge. So maybe down in the future I want to do something different, I'll take them out. But for right now, they'll stay on. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It goes together for sure. Right there, you see it. A little closer. Yeah, that's good. I'm about to wrap my video up because I'm done, but as you can see, this side is not done yet, man. So look at that. It's a Q-tip. That's why you don't believe what's on the internet. I can make anything look like anything on the internet, man. So Q-tip of the day. Be careful what you believe on the internet because it's not always true.
And that was your Q-tip of the day.
That's all I got. Catch y'all on the next one. You have a blessed day. Peace.